Hey everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos. I'm going to start this project off with this frame that I got at Dollar Tree. And I am just going to take the back off, and then there's a piece inside that I'm going to pull out. And I'm going to just pop that out, and I'm just going to set the frame aside. And I am going to trace this script paper that I got at Hobby Lobby onto this little piece that goes in the inside of the frame. And then I am going to cut that out. And trim off those little corners. And then I'm just going to set this back in the frame. I'm not even going to Mod Podge it on. I'm just going to set it right back in. And that way there I can use this frame for something else if I want to. I can be able to change it out for different holidays if I choose. So I'm just going to put the back in and then slide those little things over to hold the back on. And these frames are so pretty. So I already like it just like it is. Next, I'm going to take this wooden heart that I got at Hobby Lobby. It came in a pack of a lot of them. I think there was like 12 in the pack. And this is one of the bigger ones. And I am going to paint this with a couple of coats of a really deep red paint. And I let it dry in between coats. And I love the color of this red. It is so pretty. So once it is all dry, I'm going to take this Rosette ribbon that I got at Hobby Lobby. And I'm going to start hot gluing it across the center. So it kept twisting up on me, so it's kind of giving me a hard time gluing down. So I'm just going to kind of do it piece by piece, making sure I figure out where I want it, making sure that it was even. I wanted it to go all the way across, but have it so it ended on a rosette on the either side, if you kind of understand what I mean. So I just wanted to make sure that I had it set so that that would be what happened. So as you can see, I got one rosette on the end, and I wanted it to end with one instead of ending like in a center. So now that I have it all on there and glued, I'm just going to trim off the excess of that. And then I made this cute little bow out of some silk ribbon that I had. And I'm going to hot glue that right to the center, right on top of the rosette. Kind of arrange my bow, make it look how I want it to. And then I'm going to take this button. It's a gold button with a little pearl in the center, and I'm going to add that right to the center of that bow. Make sure that it's all even. And look how cute that is. And I am going to hot glue that right to the center of the frame. I'm going to make sure that I get it in the center. And then just kind of press it down. And like I said, I can take this apart and use it for something else. This was such a simple, easy project. I absolutely love how it looks. Look how pretty that is. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this project. And as always, don't forget to spread the chaos.